Okay, so this is a dumbbell split squat working with kettlebells. This is a phenomenal exercise for really working your stability through the hips and also for building your legs. If you can get really strong on one leg, then when you go to train with two legs, you'll be phenomenally strong and really be able to develop the legs from there. So with this, what's really important is to try and really stay upright rather than come leaning forwards. You'll see a lot of people will over lean forwards and take the pressure off their legs. In terms of like wearing the legs you're going to be working, the longer the stride out you take forward, the more you can bring in your hamstrings and glutes. The narrower your stance, so the closer your front foot is back, the more you'll engage your quads, and the more knee flexion you'll have, the more it'll work the top of your leg instead of the underside, the hamstring glute. So here I'm going to go for more of a neutral stance to focus on both areas of the leg. I always like to do it heel, rear foot lifted first, and then go straight in. And what you find works well is you get a big stretch through the opposite leg that's up high behind you. So example coming up. So with this, one of the key take-home points again is to have a little pause at the bottom of the rep. So if you get down to the bottom, pause for a second, and then re-engage through your quads and try and think about consciously what you're going to try and fire to bring yourself back up. Keep nice and stable and don't bounce up and down the reps. This is a really good exercise. You can progress really nicely, and if you do it towards the end of a workout after your big compound lifts, it'll blow your legs up with a really, really big pump. Nothing gives me a bigger pump more than doing this, to be honest with you. So try this on the next leg day, let me know how you go on.